Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Home DIY Tips. I used to think garlic always went bad after a few weeks. No matter what I did, it either dried out, became soft, or started sprouting. But after trying a few simple storage methods, I found some easy tricks that actually keep garlic fresh for months. And the best part is, these methods are simple enough for anyone to do at home. Garlic is one of the most used ingredients in cooking. We add it to soups, stir-fries, sauces, marinades, meat dishes, and so much more. It gives food a rich aroma and stronger flavor. That's why many people buy garlic in bulk. But if you store it the wrong way, it spoils very quickly. So today, I'm going to show you several easy ways to store garlic properly, plus a few fast tricks to peel garlic in seconds. Let's begin. Before storing garlic, you need to choose good garlic first. Try to pick bulbs that feel firm, dry, and heavy. Avoid garlic with soft spots, mold, or damaged skin. The outer skin protects the garlic naturally and helps it stay fresh longer. Fresh garlic will always last much longer in storage. First, separate and peel the garlic cloves. Place them into a clean glass jar. You can also add a little salt or a few chili peppers for extra flavor if you want. Next, pour white vinegar into the jar until all the garlic is completely covered. Close the lid tightly and place the jar in the refrigerator. Do not leave it outside at room temperature because moisture can cause mold to grow. This method can keep garlic fresh for around 4 months and works great for cooking noodles, grilled foods, and fried dishes. Put whole garlic bulbs into a storage bag. Now make a simple moisture absorber. Take a paper towel and add a spoon of baking soda with a small amount of dried tea leaves. Wrap it tightly and secure it with a rubber band. Place this packet inside the bag with the garlic. Remove extra air and seal the bag tightly. The baking soda and tea leaves help absorb moisture and slow down sprouting. Then, hang the bag somewhere cool, dry, and well ventilated. Using this method, garlic can stay fresh for up to 6 months. This is one of the easiest methods. Simply place a few garlic bulbs inside your rice container and lightly cover them with rice. Rice naturally stays dry, which helps prevent moisture from reaching the garlic. At the same time, garlic helps keep insects away from the rice, so both ingredients actually help protect each other. Separate the garlic cloves and remove any spoiled pieces. Place the healthy garlic into an airtight container and close the lid tightly after every use. This reduces exposure to air, light, and moisture, which helps slow down sprouting and keeps the garlic fresh much longer. It's clean, simple, and very convenient for everyday cooking. Now, let's talk about peeling garlic. Sometimes peeling just a few cloves feels annoying, and the smell stays on your hands for hours. Here are some fast and simple tricks to make peeling garlic much easier. Separate the garlic into cloves and place them inside a glass jar. Only fill the jar halfway. Close the lid tightly and shake hard for about 30 seconds. The garlic skins will loosen naturally as the cloves hit the sides of the jar. When you open it, most of the peels will already come off. This method is perfect when you need to peel a lot of garlic quickly. Place garlic cloves on a plate in a single layer. Microwave them on medium heat for about 30 seconds. The heat loosens the skin and makes peeling much easier. Just press the cloves lightly and the peel slides right off. Great for busy cooking days. cut off the root end of the garlic. Then gently press the clove with the side of a knife. The skin loosens immediately and peels away easily. This works best when you only need 1 or 2 cloves. If the garlic skin is difficult to remove, use the edge of a plastic bottle cap. Press lightly against the skin and pull gently. The peel comes off surprisingly fast and helps keep your hands from getting irritated. Place garlic cloves into warm water for about 15 to 20 minutes. The warm water softens the outer skin and makes peeling much easier. The garlic also stays whole without getting crushed. This method works very well for preparing large amounts of garlic. Place garlic cloves into a basket and cover it with another basket. Hold them tightly together and shake for around 20 seconds. The friction removes most of the dry skins naturally. Fast, simple, and very useful for big batches. So those are some easy garlic storage and peeling tricks you can try at home. Which method do you want to try first? If you have your own garlic tips, share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Home DIY Tips for more useful kitchen and home tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.